Hi, I'm Chris Hartzenberg. I'm the owner of Poolwerx Padstow. We're located at number 1 Faraday Road, Padstow. The store is located near the entry to the Woolworths car park. Plenty of parking available on site. We sell a variety of pumps, filters and chlorinators. We can also quote and supply simple systems all the way up to complex automated systems. We stock a range of chemicals for all of your pool and spa needs. From balancing the water to specialty chemicals for problem solving, to minerals to soften the water and enhance your swimming experience. We offer free water testing. We can provide you with advice on all the chemical needs for your pool. Should your pool be green, we can guide you through the process to clean your pool up. We also do pool servicing. We can come out to your pool weekly, fortnightly, monthly, whatever your pool requires. We can keep your pool in a healthy and fit state for when you want to use that pool.